Good morning, students. Now we have to start chapter number 4, class 7, chapter number 4. Chapter number 4 is rational numbers. It's a very important chapter. In the rational number, we have discussed some basic of this chapter. In this chapter, we have already learned about the numbers. Now we have discussed some definitions. Number 1, natural numbers. Natural numbers नाम से एक हो रहा है कंसीडर नेचुरल मीन जो चीज़ हम नॉर्मली डिक्टेट करते हैं. सपोज आई हैव 1 पेन, 2 पेंसिल्स, 3 इरेजर्स. इट्स मीन 1 2 3 4. दीज आर नंबर्स वी यूज नेचुरली. काउंटिंग नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड नेचुरल नंबर्स. जिन नंबर्स को हम काउंटिंग की तरह यूज करते हैं 1 2 3 4 एंड सो ऑन. These are called natural numbers. Second, whole numbers. If 0 included two natural numbers, if in the natural numbers we include 0, then it is called whole numbers. It's mean 0 1 2 3 4 5 and so on are whole numbers. Number 3, the main definition of this chapter, fractions. A part of whole is called a fraction. A part of whole. Here whole mean this whole nahi. Whole mean a complete. Suppose we have a field and we divide the field in 3 equal parts. We divide the field into 3 equal parts. Then each part is called 1 by 3. It's mean 3 में से 1 part. 1 out of 3, 1 by 3, 1 upon 3. It is called also 1 by 3. It is called 1 by 3. And these two together are called 2 by 3. It's mean the fraction is a part of whole. कंप्लीट वैल्यू, कंप्लीट चीज में अगर आप थोड़ा सा हिस्सा स्टडी करोगे तो उसे कहा जाएगा फ्रैक्शन. 1 by 4, 3 by 7, 2 by 11 and so on etc. Note, a fraction is always between 0 and 1. It's mean फ्रैक्शन की वैल्यू 0 या 0 से कम नहीं हो सकती और फ्रैक्शन की वैल्यू 1 या 1 से ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकती. 0 और 1 के बीच में आएगी फ्रैक्शन की वैल्यू हमेशा. इट्स मीन इन अ फ्रैक्शन डिनोमिनेटर ऑलवेज ग्रेटर, न्यूमरेटर ऑलवेज स्मॉलर. नंबर 4, चैप्टर नेम रेशनल नंबर्स. इट्स डेफिनेशन, रेशनल नंबर्स, numbers that can be expressed in the form of p upon q. नंबर जिनको आप शो कर सकते हो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p अपॉन q. p अपॉन q. इट्स मीन न्यूमरेटर अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर. p अपॉन q with the some condition q never can be 0 and p and q are integers. Remember, these are integers. Negative, positive, 0, anything else, but in decimal never can be. P and Q both are integers, Q not equal to 0, then it is called a rational numbers. I hope you understand the definitions. Note down it. Now students, we have to start some more definitions. First, some notes for a rational number. Note number 1, rational numbers in the form of p upon q. रेशनल नंबर p अपॉन q की फॉर्म में होते हैं जो कि हम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. इन विच p इज कॉल्ड न्यूमरेटर एंड q इज कॉल्ड डिनोमिनेटर. इसमें p को आप न्यूमरेटर और q को आप डिनोमिनेटर कॉल करोगे. नोट नंबर 2, ऑल फ्रैक्शंस आर रेशनल नंबर्स बट ऑल रेशनल नंबर्स आर नॉट फ्रैक्शन. आप जितने भी फ्रैक्शंस हैं उन सबको आप रेशनल नंबर कॉल कर सकते हो, बट आप एवरी रेशनल नंबर को फ्रैक्शन कॉल नहीं कर सकते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3/2, it is not a fraction but it is a rational number, because fraction is a part of a whole and the value of fraction is less than 1 and greater than 0, and 3/2 is greater than 1, so it is not a fraction but it is a rational number. Similarly, -1/5 is a rational number but it is not a fraction. It's a important point. Next, it is also important, 0 can be written as 0/1, 0/1, 0/2, 0/3 and so on. It's your choice. So 0 is also called a rational number. It means 0 को भी आप rational number call कर सकते हो. Integers, 0 and all natural numbers along with their negative. 0 and natural numbers and their negatives. It's mean 1 का negative -1, 2 का negative -2, 3 का negative -3, 4 का negative -4. These numbers including make a integers. -5 + 5, -4 + 4, -3 + 3, -2 + 2, -1, 1, 0 and so on. These are called integers. And the last basic of this chapter, after this we start the exercise, is standard form of a rational number. Rational numbers की standard form. First, denominator is positive. Remember, in a standard form, denominator is always positive. And second condition, numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. Numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. It means numerator and denominator may be two numbers which are not divisible by a same number except 1. Like 7 and 12. These two numbers are not divisible by a same number except 1. You also can say 15 and 16 and so on. ऐसे काफी नंबर हो सकते हैं. क्लियर? तो जो भी P/Q की फॉर्म इन दो कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगी, then it is called a standard form of a rational number. So it's a basic of the chapter 4, rational numbers. Now we start exercise 4.1 in the next video. Thank you.